Welcome to THT Design, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home, from the grand exterior to the cozy interior. Our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A modern minimalist retreat, the Black House. The Black House, with its striking combination of wood, black tiles, and lush greenery, is a testament to the power of minimalist design. This architectural gem offers a serene and contemplative space that seamlessly integrates with the surrounding natural environment. The black exterior. The house's dark exterior creates a sense of mystery and intrigue, inviting exploration. The use of black tiles for the roof adds a modern and sleek touch, contrasting beautifully with the warm tones of the wood. This juxtaposition of light and dark elements creates a visually dynamic composition. The wooden elements. Wood, a natural and sustainable material, plays a central role in the design of the Black House. The wooden floor in front of the house provides a warm and inviting space for outdoor living. The wooden steps leading down to the floor create a sense of depth and dimension, while also providing easy access to the surrounding landscape. The abundant bonsai trees carefully placed throughout the property add a touch of Japanese elegance and enhance the overall aesthetic. The green forest. The lush green forest behind the house serves as a natural backdrop, providing a sense of privacy and tranquility. The contrast between the dark exterior of the house and the vibrant green of the forest creates a visually striking composition. The forest also helps to regulate the temperature and humidity of the surrounding area, providing a more comfortable living environment. The minimalist aesthetic. The Black House is a prime example of minimalist design, characterized by its clean lines, simplicity, and emphasis on functionality. The absence of clutter and excessive ornamentation allows the natural beauty of the materials and the surrounding environment to take center stage. This minimalist approach creates a sense of calm and serenity, inviting the inhabitants to focus on the essentials of life. In conclusion, the Black House is a remarkable example of modern minimalist architecture. Its combination of black tiles, wood, and lush greenery creates a visually striking and harmonious composition. The house's minimalist aesthetic and its integration with the natural environment offer a serene and contemplative retreat, providing a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.